Hi, I'm Merced Fletcher, and I'm a second grade teacher here at PL Prep. And last year, I was part of Dallas ISD's Personalized Learning Innovation and Teaching Fellowship. And in the fellowship, I took part in a design sprint where I learned about the design thinking process, and I also learned new ideas to foster student growth in my classroom. I also learned some really great data-driven blended learning techniques that I took back to my classroom to help my students gain voice and choice. And at the end of the year, I got a chance to participate in the design showcase where I showed all of what I had learned that year in the fellowship to people from around the district. And that's what you can see in this picture. It's a photo of me presenting in the showcase. And you can also see an example of the playlist that I created through the showcase or through the fellowship. And throughout the fellowship, I learned how to individualize instruction, how to conduct student-led conferences, and how to create meaningful student playlists. Before the fellowship, I chose most student activities and goals myself, and the fellowship really taught me how to make my classroom student-led, how to have student-led data conferences, and how to give students choice and independence in the classroom. And one way that I did that was through my playlists. I worked with the students in my classroom to create playlists that they would use daily to keep track of their work and to make sure that they were getting to make choices on what they were learning and in what order they completed their assignments. And that playlist really did allow them to become more independent by the end of the year. I learned so much through the fellowship, and I still use so many of the resources and connections that I gained last year in my classroom today. And I really feel like it's made me who I am today, a much better teacher.